Hi there, and welcome to week 4 of the course. We're about to start a little bit of a dive into theory as far as educational technology and pedagogy are concerned. Week 4 is going to be a lot about different learning theories and perhaps how you might intertwine learning theories with theories of educational technology and what that means. And then week 5 tries to get a little more into how you apply what you learned in learning theories, theories that deal with educational technology, to the actual teaching and learning design that you do in practice. Now, this is, a graduate level course, and so of course there's going to be touching on theory, application of theory. That said, it's often a really difficult thing to wrap your head around. First of all, sometimes theory can be a little abstract, a little opaque, difficult to get a strong feeling for until you've had the chance to consider it in relation to actual events or actual applications. It's the sort of thing sometimes that you read about and then a month or two later you go, oh, you know what, I think I really do understand how that would apply in this particular circumstance. And that's the case in every discipline, I think. Theory can be difficult to initially integrate with your previous experience, difficult to apply in practice until you've had time to reflect on it, until you've had time to consider it in relation to specific problems that you have in your teaching, in your learning design. That said, I think this is a really important part of the course. It is important that we have these theories internalized and that we think about what we're doing when we set out to teach using educational technology and when we set out to design learning that's going to happen online or that's going to happen with the aid of educational technology. If we don't think about these things as we're doing them, then we are really letting things just roll off in any particular direction. We're going to have unintended consequences. We're going to be leaving things up to chance. And I think that's what makes a teaching professional who works with educational technology. It's somebody who has an understanding of the theory behind the decisions that they're making. So I think these 2 weeks are very important. That said, there's going to be a fair amount of reading. There may be difficulty in seeing how every particular theory has a place in your own teaching, and that's fine. And also, something unique to education compared to some other disciplines. Not every theory you come across is mutually exclusive. They don't mean if you believe in constructivism that then other theories must be tossed out completely. Often it's a case of what theory is appropriate for these particular purposes, for these particular learning outcomes. Sometimes it's a case of which theories can complement each other, which approaches can complement each other if we combine them in undertaking some teaching or learning design. So I want you to keep an open mind. Remember that you don't have to commit to some particular theory. I certainly haven't committed to any one theory for learning. And in my previous degrees in history, I never committed to a particular theory around historical thinking. So the next 2 weeks are intellectually deep, but they do have, I think, an important place in what we're trying to accomplish in this course and what I hope that everyone here is hoping to get out of the course. Anyway, I look forward to hearing thoughts and discussions that you have around these 2 weeks, around the topics. And it'll be interesting to see how you find some of the readings and activities that we have planned out for the next couple of weeks. Talk to you later.